How to check your Roblox purchase history. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to view all your Roblox transactions and purchases step by step. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Roblox tutorials. First, open a web browser on your phone or computer and go to roblox.com. Make sure you're signed into the correct Roblox account. If you're on mobile and the Roblox app opens, tap on Continue in Browser so you stay on the website version. Now, tap on the Robux icon in the top right corner. From there, tap on My Transactions. This will open your Roblox transaction history. By default, it may only show the last 30 days, but you can change the filter to view the past year or other time periods. You can also switch between different transaction types, like purchases, currency purchases, or summary. Tap on Purchases if you want to see all the items or Robux you've bought. Since I haven't bought anything, it shows me nothing here. But if you have made purchases, you'll now be able to see the exact purchase amount, the date, and details for each transaction. And that's it. That's how you can check your Roblox purchase history easily.